Apple is about to change everything again. And this time, it's not just about faster chips or better cameras. It's about making your iPhone truly intelligent, not just smart. We've all heard about AI being added to apps and devices, but what Apple is doing right now with its next iPhone AI update goes far beyond that. It's not just using AI, it's rebuilding the entire iPhone experience around it. This new update could completely transform how you use your phone, from how you message, to how you search, to how you think about personal assistance. Let's break down what's really coming, why Apple's doing it now, and how it could quietly make your iPhone smarter than you are. First, let's talk about what this AI update actually is. Apple has been working on something internally known as Apple Intelligence. It's their integrated AI system that will live across iOS, macOS, and iPadOS. But for the iPhone, it's going to feel like you're getting an entirely new device, even if you're using the same one in your hand right now. At its core, this AI update blends on-device intelligence with cloud-based models. That means your iPhone will handle simple tasks locally, like writing messages, scheduling events, or summarizing notifications, without sending your data to the cloud. But when you ask for something more complex, it will tap into Apple's servers, powered by advanced AI models trained in partnership with OpenAI and others. The result? A system that's fast, personal, and deeply private. Three things Apple is betting will set it apart from Google's Gemini or Samsung's Galaxy AI. Now, what can it actually do? Imagine this. You get a long text thread from your group chat. 57 unread messages while you were in a meeting. You don't want to scroll through all that chaos. With Apple Intelligence, you can ask Siri, summarize my group chat, and in seconds, it gives you a clean recap of what everyone said, who made decisions, and even the tone of the conversation. That's not the Siri you know. This is Siri reimagined. In fact, Siri's upgrade is at the heart of this update. Apple's making it conversational, contextual, and capable of understanding follow-ups. You can now say things like, "Show me the file John sent yesterday," and Siri will know which John you mean, open the right app, and find the exact attachment. No extra taps needed. It's the biggest upgrade to Siri since its launch over a decade ago. Next up, writing tools. The AI writing assistant built into Notes, Mail, and Messages will be able to rewrite, summarize, and correct tone. You can draft an email in your natural messy text, and with one tap, Apple's AI rewrites it in a professional tone. You can also ask it to make it shorter, friendlier, or more direct. It's like having ChatGPT built into your iPhone, but one that understands your personal context. And yes, that's the other big story here. Apple is partnering directly with OpenAI. ChatGPT will be integrated into Siri and the system-wide writing tools. That means if Siri thinks a question is too complex for Apple's own model, it can seamlessly call on ChatGPT, with your permission. For example, you could ask, write a 2-day itinerary for New York with food spots and museums, and Siri might say, do you want me to use ChatGPT for that? One tap, and it pulls the full itinerary, right inside Messages or Notes. No app switching, no copy-paste. Just seamless AI, and Apple's doing it carefully. Everything is opt-in, and ChatGPT doesn't store your requests unless you have an account. Privacy is still the centerpiece of Apple's pitch. But here's where things get really interesting. Apple's AI is personal. It doesn't just answer questions, it knows you. Your iPhone will soon be able to summarize your notifications based on what matters most to you. Instead of hundreds of alerts, it can say, you missed 3 important messages. One from your boss, one from your mom, and a reminder that your flight is boarding in 40 minutes. That's the kind of intelligence we've all wanted from our phones. One that actually understands what's relevant to us. The Photos app is also getting a huge AI boost. You'll be able to search using natural language. Say, show me pictures from the beach trip with Sarah last summer. And your iPhone will find them instantly. No need to remember albums or dates. There's also a new feature called Image Playground, where you can create custom images directly from text prompts, similar to Midjourney or DALL-E, but built into your iPhone. You can generate stickers, social posts, or even playful edits to your photos right inside Messages. All of this points to one thing: Apple's quietly entering the AI race, but in its own way. While Google and Microsoft are building massive AI platforms, Apple's turning your device itself into the platform. The intelligence doesn't just live in the cloud, it lives inside your phone, making it more personal, contextual, and private. And that's a huge shift. Remember how Apple changed the smartphone world with the App Store in 2008? This could be the same kind of moment, but for artificial intelligence. Instead of downloading separate AI apps, your iPhone will have intelligence baked into everything you do. Even developers are being given access to Apple's new AI APIs, which means third-party apps like Spotify, Uber, or Notion can plug into Apple Intelligence too. That's when things really get powerful. Imagine your iPhone automatically organizing your day across multiple apps, without you lifting a finger. Now, of course, not everyone's thrilled about this. Critics say Apple's late to the AI game. Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI have been leading for years. They wait, perfect, and then dominate. And with more than 1 billion active iPhones, Apple doesn't need to win the AI race globally. They just need to win it on their own devices. The first version of Apple Intelligence is expected to roll out with iOS 18 on the latest iPhone models, especially those powered by the A18 and M series chips, which can handle the heavy on-device AI processing. Older devices might get partial features, but the full experience will likely be exclusive to the newest iPhones. That's not just a software update, that's a hardware upgrade incentive built right in. It means your iPhone is about to become more than a tool. It's about to become a thinking companion, one that learns your habits, filters your world, and helps you work, communicate, and create faster than ever before. They're redefining what it means to have intelligence inside your device. Because when your phone starts predicting what you need before you even ask, you're not just using technology anymore. You're living with it. And that's why Apple's next AI update might not just make your phone smarter, it might make you smarter too.